2 against the 3rd ranked, and get a little more time at the table. This will be the main table for the final. Yeah, our table 2 match is Robbie Capito, Jason Shaw, and of course Robbie's in. And if you look at it, you know, they've all played the same amount. But if Jason can tie the score, he's got a pretty good rack differential over the others, I believe. So,
yeah, Jason Shaw is on 15 points along with Neuhausen. Yap's just in front.
Yeah. And of course, we'll see what kind of how things shape up when that match arrives. Players both look real good. Ones we're seeing at the table. Y'all can't see table 2, of course, but Chua's doing what Chua does and has been doing. Lots of breaking runs. He's won a lot of lags as well, which is could certainly show up. This guy right here has been better and better with the break, though.
Yeah, very thin. Might nestle on the red 3. This he has done, you know. They've traded places over the last 2 or 3 days.
Nice having the split screen here. You can see Jason in position to get a early 2-0 lead.
Yap's on table 1 next against Neuhausen.
Yeah, that match is really going to tell us a lot.
Yeah, this is nice. Who's going to win the rack first? Well, looks like it's going to be Ruiz. If you're not accurate on these tables, we've seen it all week. You'll hang the ball over the pocket. Yeah, just like that, Mr. 6. In the afternoon session, was going to win. Hooked himself. The match turned round. Jason ended up getting beat. And that's what's kind of put him in this bit of a tricky spot here. And he's...
Yeah, Johann with another bank on the 2, even more difficult. Lighter speed, of course, holding for a 2-way, not only with shape, but also backdoor safety. A lot of those shots, though, if you hang the ball, the guy's going to kick it in or jump it in. Chua's got a tough 8-ball to work on. Yeah, this is going to hurt. Surprising. Yeah, the 6 in the previous game. We've seen that ball missed all week, but didn't expect that one from Jason on the 3. Made a couple nice shots to get in position. Little fluke here with the 7 and the cue ball, you might say. At least we get to see a fun one here from some distance.
Yeah, it was always going to be a really hard pot. Yeah, good shot from Frat.
Yeah, nice shot. Really nice shot, especially thinking about something like that coming up later in this event. And again, that rack differential shows you a golden break here. He smashed him. Now for a 3-1 lead.
Yeah, a bit of
I think Jason's hitting the ball as well as any player in the field, really.
Yeah, there's no doubt about it. He's played some good stuff.
Nice shot by design to move the green 6 right there. And up the pink for later in the rack.
Again, apologies you can't see the table, but Capito has just played an unbelievable shot.
Capito knocked in one of the shots at the tournament. Little thin there. He's going to get a roll behind the green 6.
What a shot from Chua. Gonna need another good pot. Well, Shaw's got a bit of work to do here now.
Now, I talked with a few of the players on the break. I said, kind of asked them about they felt any difference in the two tables. He's going to get contact here. This could get odd, but all 3 that I talked to said definitely table 1 plays a little drier. Felt like table 2 was a hair faster though, and played a little tougher.
Where's he going? Banking the right side middle here, Chua. Yeah, shows a bit of flair. Why not? Just like that. Really is a good break Ruiz has.
Come one rail kind of at the 9 here. I like that. Oh, he needs the bottom of the ball a little bit though. Maybe able to hit down on it. Looks good. Speed looks really good. Well, we got pretty tight quarters on the pink. Little masse.
Well, this game here with Capito on shore could have been so different. And the problem Shaw's got is Capito feels like he's playing on a table with 6-inch pockets. You can see it in the demeanour of these 2 players, can't you? And Chua, they're there. They've made it through to the semis.
Had to get on the hill here. Couple trick shots.
Thought we were going to see a 4-railer then.
after every break for Chua. The bank blocked by the green 6 plus elevated over the pink. Pretty good job there. If you hit it fat, you kind of bump it to the bottom rail here. I wouldn't blast this, I don't think. Yeah, I like that speed. Just try and make it.
Showing his class there. Wasn't watching, I'm not sure how it got there, but Capito's made a positional error. Yeah, this is easy work for Chua. You see the distance there. Shaw's got the small cue out.
Yeah, and you know, Capito and Chua look like they were making it to this final four just from what they've done prior, but I'm sure they have a notion of what's going on with the other guys. You think, you know, of course, Capito wants the winning to keep happening. He's not going to try and change things, but maybe a hair of motivation knowing that they can really put a damper on Eagle Eye and a tough guy if he gets to that final four.
Nine-ball action. There it is. Francisco Sanchez Ruiz finishes off with a golden break. And